EnviroZyme's position as a global leader in the bioaugmentation industry aligns us with the right supplies and channels to create, blend, and package for any market and client. When it comes to biosolids, EnviroZyme can tailor the chemistry, scale, and volume to substrate and placement environment. Because they're extruded, our highly dense solids dissolve uniformly without breakage, consistently delivering bacteria over a wide range of time periods. For powders, which are the highest count product form and allow for discrete dose control, we offer easy-to-use water-soluble pouches or bulk units up to 2,000 pounds. Even our liquid configurations are adaptable to clients' needs. Benefit from the convenience of timed, pumpable doses with up to 30 days between service and package volumes that range from quart size to tanker loads. Equipped with the flexibility of a smaller company while offering the power of a larger enterprise, we also have the ability to private label and contract package an existing formula or customize new powders, liquids, and solids. To explore a potential partnership with EnviroZyme, we invite you to take the next step by filling out our online submission form or contacting EnviroZyme customer service.